Let's look at page design. By default, when we add a page, it's added like all of these examples that we see here. But I want to demonstrate how we can use pages and subpages to create a navigation structure much like a textbook. So I'll create a new section and I'll right click and rename it Page Navigation. And I'm going to call this my title page. You can see how when we add anything into that title, it's always automatically updated in the column of pages to the right. Let's add another page, and I'll call this Unit 1. And this might be a summary of the unit. There might be some pictures, videos, etc. I'll add one more page, and this might be Topic 1 for Unit 1. I'll keep going, Topic 2 for Unit 1, and finally Topic 3 for Unit 1. Now that might be okay just to let your students work their way through these sections like so. But by clicking and dragging a page to the left or right in this column, we can create a hierarchy or a structure. So I'm going to drag Unit 1 once to the right. I'm now going to drag Topic 1 for Unit 1 2 spaces across, so it's gone across 2 tab areas. And I'll do the same for Topic 2 and Topic 3. So visually that's already an easier way to identify the structure of this section in OneNote. We have our title page, our first unit, and our Topic 1, 2 and 3 for that unit. I'll go ahead and I'll add a Unit 2 and I'll add a Unit 3. Now at the moment these are all on the title page level, so I'm going to drag them once to the right to get them to that unit level. In here I'm going to click and add another page. I'll go Topic 1 for Unit 2 and I'll just quickly do a Topic 1 for Unit 3. Good thing about OneNote is I can drag and drop pages up and down as I need to, and I can drag them left and right to be able to update the structure. So we now have our title page, our unit pages, topics within the units, and more examples underneath it. Now you might have noticed that when I hover over these pages, you can see these arrows that appear on the right. And these are really useful because it allows you to collapse whole sections. And you can see by clicking on that arrow, we've collapsed the entire book, all those pages and subpages, into a single resource. When I expand it, everything comes back. That only happens at the top level. So we can't do that beyond the top level. And that's something to keep in mind. One way to work around it would be to have the title page as it appears now, and if I just grab my Unit 1 page and slide it back to the left, I now have the top arrow here. So that allows me to expand and collapse that section too. If I go down to Unit 2, drag it once to the left, Unit 3, drag it once to the left, you can see we now have those arrows which allows us to roll up and to collapse the unit pages too.